I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to pause all comments on your YouTube videos. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the flood of comments on your YouTube videos or needed a break to focus on content creation? Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you a new powerful tool recently added to YouTube Studio, how to pause all comments on your YouTube videos. This feature can be a real game changer for managing your YouTube channel's engagement, especially during times when you need to step back or moderate discussions more closely. Now let's walk through the steps to pause all comments on a specific YouTube video. Step 1. Open a web browser and then navigate to the YouTube Studio page associated with your YouTube channel. Step 2. Click Content in the menu on the left side of the screen. A list of all of the YouTube videos you've posted to your channel is displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Hold your cursor over the video you want to pause all of the comments on to bring up menu options, and then click the edit icon associated with that video. The video details screen for that specific video is displayed. Step 4. Scroll down this screen until you get to the comments and ratings section, and then click to select pause in this section. Click Save at the top of the screen to save your changes. Going forward, no one will be able to make a new comment on this video, but all of the old comments will still be visible. You can return to this section to unpause comments at any time. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.